everyone! Welcome to our channel. We are going to do cha-cha basic step in place. And this is how it's going to go. We're going to start on one leg. Our one leg is going to be straight and the other one is going to be bent. And we are going to transfer weight in place from foot to foot. 2, 3, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 1. So that's how the step goes. Now, while we do this movement, it's very important to keep our back straight and to cross our knees so that we don't have positions like this. So every time when we transfer weight, we cross the knee. Can we try this, guys? And ready? Go. 2, 3, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 1. Very good. Now let's try this with the music. Let's not forget our postures. Ready? 2, 3, cha-cha, go. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Continue. Cha-cha, 1. Don't lose the posture. 2, 3. Now try to show me sharper weight transfer. 2, 3. Turn out your toes. Cha-cha, go. 2, 3. More hip action. 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1. 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1. 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1. 2, 3. Very good. Very good, you guys. All right, so this was our cha-cha basic step in place, and we hope you try it with us. Bye. See you next time.